Hey guys, welcome to Ecoscopy Daily Outlook on Risk and Commodity Pairs. And today, June 3rd, 2020, Wednesday, just midweek. Just make sure that you read the disclaimer. And now, coming to the charts, let's see. Okay, it is here. We are here, Australian Japanese. So, yesterday, I was mentioning. Yesterday, I was mentioning don't short Australian Japanese yet. So, what has happened? Australian USD went to, let me just see where it was. It went near uh, 70. So, like 69.85. So, if I show you the chart, and it exactly went to 261.8%. So, I'll show you that. And New Zealand USD also is so whoever has come into the this big move. So it was not for short. Like after moving and after closing above 71.20, this Australian Japanese. So this has in this week it has created almost 4%. So that was like Australian Japanese has went till around 75 50. So how much you will chase in currencies you cannot chase 5 or 6%. So that's how it is. And look at New Zealand USD is still it is up for the day, and now it is coming down. So just 15 minutes back it was up for the day, and still right now it is correction time. So let's see USD CAD, and USD CAD is at around 1.3570. So this is also correcting. So just look at how the momentum happens. So this was last week I was saying, and here if you see OSMA, so it was it was trying to consolidate. So there was nothing in the month of May, and after it was going up, OSMA was going up, and it was supposed to take off. So after last week, it closed above weekly resistance. So that was the main thing that has happened. And now you see these big bars on Australian Japanese upside. So let's see. And I know it is a correction time. Of course, currencies cannot go till like a long time, and it is futile to chase it and finding top. So best is you have to find when currencies are moving. Most of the traders, what they do, they uh, uh, if it is range bound, like they will find, okay, here it is coming, and we have to sell it. Here we have to buy. But if breakout happens, so most of the traders, at least retail traders, they are not equipped, and they are not mentally ready for these breakout, me included. So this S&P, although not much gain this week, and but still it is just chugging along and going up. USA Tech, so 9,750, and that was the level we touched in the month of April, and right now it is just near that level. The challenge for US Dow Jones is at around 26,400, and if it is going, but still It is not a sell. So nothing is for a sell. And if we see Japan, Japan is right now slightly correcting, but it will be fertile to find the top and sell it. You will be lucky if you get the profit. Let me see US bonds. So how that is behaving. USD bonds. So for the day also, till now it is just here and trying to go up. So that was a major, like it was trying to go down, but still, uh, like US, I was mentioning US, this dollar, US dollar index has a support around 97. So I think it went up to that level. And if we talk about risk right now, risk is, I think already we have uh, this up move in Australian USD, Australian Japanese. That has now completed. And right now we are heading for some correction. And after that, we will see from where we have to buy Australian dollar or Australian Japanese. So still it is right now over stressed. Let's see, dollar index is 97.57, so it must have reached. So talking about risk trend, US bond right now it has already gone down and trying to go up, and Australian Japanese it touched around this level almost 76, and it is coming down, and US stock market is still it is going up. Global stock market is going up, so there is no doubt about that. Taxes has comfortably above 12,000, and where is gold? Gold is not coming down, so gold is still above 1700. Let's see dollar index. So all in all, right now, this risk pairs, they have already completed their up move, and right now it is time for correction. Why I'm saying they have already corrected up move, I'll show you in Australian USD chart. And now let's see dollar index. Where is it? Dollar IDX. Why it is not coming? Dollar IDX. So till where it went? 97.21. And weekly right now 97.10 was the support, and when it was reaching 97.10 or 20, that was the time to initiate these short trades. So that was the motive. Like if it was coming down EMA 34 and this was a big move, so we have to be ready at this point 97.0, 97.10. So that is the motive right now. Again, if it is coming down, so then you can sell almost Euro USD or GBP USD, and something like Australian USD also. Let's see Euro Japanese. So Euro Japanese yesterday also it was reaching 120.48. That was my target, but move happened and it was not giving anything. And if it is moving above that and going above this level 161.8, then chances of it going up further is high. Right now, this move is almost 300 pips. So 300 pips again. Right now, if we plot, so then we get the target 120, around. So still, let it come to 120.48 and buy it. I don't think still we should sell it euro Japanese, and although overextended right now, but still RSI above 70. That means again it can move uh, further up. There are chances right now. We cannot sell euro Japanese right now. So in this program, and my strategy is you have to find a trend, and I'm a trend trader. So even if it is going to overbought levels or some levels, so you have to, in that case, you have to close your open position, and that's what it means. And if it is coming down, so this is the level I'm looking for, 119.85. So although it has gone from this level, just 25th of May, it was around 117, right now 500 pips. So that is a lot. And if you see on daily chart, so here it was making tall buildings here. So again, so there was no way. So again, first time it tried to go above 118, it came down, it came to support. So you have to wait for one day. It is coming to support. Buy it, putting a stop loss something below 50 pip, 60 pip. So that's what we have to just speculate where it will take support also. And we have this technical indicators which are just helping us. So here, if we see right now, it is over extended, and 74.975 almost this euro Japanese RSI. So on daily, this is too high. So maybe some correction is there, but what I'm looking for is this EMA going above EMA 89. So and 120.48 is the support right now on 4-hour chart. Also, if you see, it is overextended. So be ready for buying around here, 119, 120. In any case, till it comes to this level, and then it will be EMA 34 will be moving up. So take this as a reference, and this also as a reference, 118 52. Right now I don't think it will be coming down below 118 or below EMA 89. And this is also one more indicator, like euro Japanese is right now uh, is bullish. And one more reason is there. Tomorrow we have ECB, and ECB is right now expected to expand their PEP program, and they have indicated like 750 billion euro. They have indicated, and that's what is giving a boost to euro USD, euro CHF, and not euro. Audi is so much bullish. Australian dollar is so much bullish. These commodity currencies are so much bullish. GBP. So GBP was yesterday also I was mentioning. Don't try to short it, and it is also making tall buildings on OSMA, although it is right now 66 level, and after it went above this level 134.57, and then it was more bullish, and right now if it has gone above 134.57, and right now we don't think it will be. I don't think that it will be coming below that level. And next target is 137.92. And this Brexit, this just goes. Sometimes it is positive, sometimes it is negative. Like the Brexit issue is too big, and right now it will take time. It will take time, and GBP will dance to the tune of this Brexit. So let me remove this, and still let me remove this. So yesterday it went about this, and after that, almost 200 people gave. So this is almost a breakout trade, and the early indication last month I was saying the stock market is at a breakout level, and almost that has happened. And now these risk pairs also took a lead, and what a move it was! Amazing move. GBP Japanese right now, how much it went to? 82 on 4-hour chart. It went till 82, and I know it is coming down. Still, it is almost not bearish. So still, you can see this is a neutral candle right now, but still it is not a red candle. So if you try for selling it again, it may happen. It is again going to 137. So still, I would say wait for this level around 134, 57, and buy it again, putting a stop loss below this level. So also just see that this is slightly, it slightly comes down, but it's still Euro, Japanese, and every pair, every risk pair right now is just flying. Okay, now GBP Japanese also it's bullish. Australian USD. Okay, I'll remove this. There is no doubt it is all Heikenashi candles are all green. And see this. It started from 66 40 level for 4 days. It was just trying to go above this level, and almost how much percentage it covered from there. So almost 350 pip, and that will be 7 5%. 5% move in just 60 hours, or to be precise, in just 48 hours. So that is a breakout. And you can see after last month, it was just trying to consolidate. And right now, this move, you can see this is OSM is again making big towers. So this is an indication. This was never giving any indication OSMA that you have to sell it even on daily. And if you see on weekly, it doesn't give any indication for long-term trading. I would say OSMA is a very, very important indicator, and it shows the direction. Right now, after trying last Monday, it was just making up this big tower, and again more, and today also it is still on the upside. And on daily 75, this is amazing. RSI is above 70 level, so in Australian USD. So this doesn't mean that you have to sell it. This just means just be ready, and let me just give you other indication. So first thing is 0 to 100% move was from 63.87 to 66. 15. After this week on Monday, it moved and moved till 67.56. That was my target. Last Thursday, I gave this target. After it moved to further, it again moved 100% more, and that was 230 pips. So you have to be ready. If it is going above 161.8%, then again next target it can go till 261.8%. And if you see the target 69.85, it went to, and exactly I think 2 3 pips that lag must be there, but still it went to 69.85. So that is how you can make use of these levels. And OSMA, of course, RSI was going up, so there is no way you have to initiate a sell trade. And right now on 4 hour chart, it is going down, so don't try to go uh, right now. If you have seen, it has come to this level, 69.85. So right now thinking must be, okay, it has gone to 69.85. Right now still it is bullish. So why not buy it 73, 68, 73, almost 110 pips down, and it will again go to this level. Now, it doesn't work that way. Right now, it is so much overextended that if it is coming down, so next level is 68.30. And right now, if it is closing below this level 68.78, this 4 hour candle, just 1 more hour. So next target is here, and maximum, and the current move has started from 67.08. So that's how it is. USD CAD right now, and USD CAD is trying to bounce, and this is let me just see Australian USD. Australian USD also has a red candle, and right now don't try to buy it. So the idea is, if it is a red candle, just sell. If it is a uh, green candle, just buy. Just give me. Okay. So this is 68.13 is the level we are looking for to initiate this buy signal. And in any case, Australian USD is right now not going below 65 level. And this also, EMA 34 is also going above EMA 89. So if you have any questions, please ask. And USD CAD right now, although it didn't participate, it was just staying back around 135, taking support there, and it was not participating the way Australian USD was moving. So for the week, if we say for 3 days, it is just 2% move in USD CAD, and right now if it is going up, so just now it went to 131.3570, And again, that is the first level. It has to go above. This is also overextended, and right now this is also trying to be above. This level RSI is above 30 level. And let's just see US Euro AUD and Euro CAD. Okay, this is daily, and after this move down, EMA 34. So that was the thing. Like why you have to be with the trend. So don't go against the trend. This will seem it went to 2.0 level, and right now if it is coming down, we have to buy. But that is not the way. 2 months back, whatever was happening right now, it has changed. And if it is giving indication EMA 34 below EMA 89. That means if it is reaching here, we have to sell it. And look at where it has gone 1.60. The same is the case GBP OD. So this also went till 1.80. And after this move from here, 194, that's where EMA 34 went below EMA 89. And then this was going down. So USD CAD also right now, it is not that much, just 2% gain. CAD has 2% gain, that's all. But Australian USD is outright performance. USD CHF, I was mentioning, it is not a sell, even if Euro USD is going up. And the reason is right now, look at Euro CHF. Euro CHF after breaking above this level 1.0620, it is just going up and up. So just 2-3 minutes more, and if you have any question right now, you can ask. Let me just see where Euro USD is. So Euro USD also has bullish pressure right now because of this expansion of PEP program from EU, and this is reflected in Euro CHF also. And right now, this is amazing. After 5 months, it has woken up, and right now, on weekly also, it is about 1.0716, and for the past, after how long it is going above EMA 89, almost a year. Come on, am I just seeing something wrong? So on 12th of May 2019, it was about EMS 34. And right now, again, it is going above this level. So this is amazing. After a year, something is changing. And right now, this Euro CHF SNB must be very, very happy right now. It's amazing. CHF Japanese. So nothing to get worried about this. US 500, nothing is there. US 500, it is just not for sell. And after breaking about 3014, it seems that it is again going to 3400. So this is a 200-day moving average. And USA Tech, again, it is also not giving any signal. This has moved above EMA 34, above EMA 89, and that was the level we were watching for. And after that, right now, it is very, very difficult. This level is almost around 8,800, and it is not going down. So just enjoy this rally in uh, risk pair and don't go short and wait for long position in Australian Japanese, Australian USD. Let's just see from where Australian Japanese can be bought. So right now, again, just 15 minutes back, just 10 minutes back, it was trading at around 74, uh, 45, and right now, how it is moving. So ideal situation would be at around 70 to 88. So that is the level we are watching for, but still it is 180 away, and RSI is not going below 70. If it comes below 70, then we can see it has reached its target. So again, don't sell it. Wait for it to come around here 73. Or if you have that much capacity, you can buy. I would suggest buy and put a stop loss below 70 to 89. So that is almost 180 pips. But still, right now, risk reward is not too high. So even if you will give 180 pips stop loss, it will not give you, it can max give you around 100 pips, maybe more. Let me just watch it for weekly. Oops. Weekly level 74, 75 is the level, and it blasted through that. So that is a very, very good move. So that's all for the day. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow, and just take care. Bye bye.